Hey, if there was one thing to know about this Keurig coffee maker is that it has so many options. You can make your typical K-cup style as well as a basket style large carafe of coffee. So whether you have company over or just want to make one cup, you simply push the button for whatever function you're doing. You can make 6, 8, 10, 12 cups. You can adjust the heat, the strength of the coffee, as well as iced coffee button as well. You have your burner down here, which works extremely well. And then when you go around the back side, you'll see there's a large water holder that also has a filter built into it. This thing is amazing. We absolutely love it. Highly recommend you check it out.